So we're now ready to show you your first drill. This one, John, is a putting path drill. Now to lay out this drill, we're going to use a few pieces of our training kit. We're going to start off with 2 yellow rulers. And we use yellow to grab your attention. And in this instance, John, we're going to place 2 yellow rulers just a little bit wider apart than the width of your putter. And that's going to form what we call the path gate for the actual stroke. So when John makes his stroke, he's trying to stroke in between the 2 yellow rulers to control the direction that he's swinging the putter in. Next, we're going to place down a red ruler. We use red in our concept for elements of speed, power and control. Sometimes danger, but in this instance, it's about controlling the ball position. So we've placed the red ruler in the centre of the 2 tracks we created with the yellow rulers to denote where the ball will be placed. So John now will walk out and he's going to place down a yellow target hole disc. And he's placing this about 4 or 5 paces in front of where he's putting from, and it's directly in front of his actual path gate. Now the idea and the objective of this actual challenge is for John then to strike each putt and see if he can roll the ball so it actually rolls over the disc. And ideally you don't want it travelling too far past the disc either. You want a bit of decent speed control. So John's going through his good setup routine. Let's see how he does with his first attempt. Well, pretty good for speed, but you can see we've got a little bit of break here on this putt, so John just needed to hit that a little bit harder. Okay, attempt number 2. Very nice, John, very close, good speed again. We go for number 3. We're going to work on this drill for about 15 minutes, and that's going to hopefully really give you a nice smooth stroke at the end of that practice session. Again, good speed, John. Come on, last one. See if you can actually get it to clip that disc.
Yeah, just before putting this ball down, it's quite a good idea, as Kevin mentioned, just to do a couple of practice swings. You see, I sort of made a putt. Just get a little bit of stroke in between. So last one.
Okay, pressure on, John. Oh, do it as you're in it, John. Well done, you clipped the disc. Excellent. So that's the objective. Try and roll that ball at a nice speed and roll it over the disc. Now, for some of you, you might be working indoors. So we have a slightly different setup for indoors. We can still have the disc, but what we like to do is we introduce one of our hoops here. We place that around the disc, and we change the balls. When we're indoors, and sometimes outdoors, we go to using some soft foam balls. We also have our plastic clubs for our youngsters to use indoors. We've got a couple of different sizes of balls. We've got slightly bigger ones and slightly smaller ones. And the objective this time, John, is to see if you can roll the ball and see if you can get it to go inside our little hoop there. Okay, yeah, putter's a little bit bigger in the head, so just extending the width of our path gate there. Oh, hello, John. Look at that. Perfection. Well done. Yeah.
It's great fun.
A little bit shy of that one.
Attention.
Yeah, all about attention on that path for the stroke. John, very good. Come on, last one. See if you can finish with one right in the centre. Orbit fully. Okay, so there you have it. That's your first drill.
Yeah.
Simple putting path gate drill. Good fun, and it's obviously going to help you to master that nice smooth putting stroke.